This is an introductory video about EndNote. In this video we will discuss the basics of EndNote, like, what is EndNote, why we use it and how it works. How EndNote works. EndNote manages all its data in EndNote Library. EndNote Library. EndNote Library is a folder or space on the computer hard drive, which acts like a database to save configuration files and other data for the smooth functioning of EndNote. References are added into library to be used in research documents. References are added by three ways into EndNote Library. First, manually, by typing the reference. Second, importing/copying or sharing from another EndNote library. Third, from online bibliographic databases. To insert manual reference, click on References in the menu bar, then click on New Reference or use shortcut Ctrl+N. Select reference type. Type all the available information in corresponding fields and then save the manual reference. Manually created reference will be added into main library. To import reference from another EndNote library, click File. Click Open Library from sub-menu. Browse the required EndNote library and press Open button. All references from another library are imported into main library. References can also be added from online databases. Different websites have different reference export options. Selected reference will be downloaded as a file. Double-click the downloaded reference file. It will be added into EndNote library. References from EndNote library are later used in MS Word.